Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can apply distort and perspective options on text. So let's get started. So if we select any text and go to edit, transform, and if we look at distort and perspective options, they are presently inactive because we cannot apply these two properties directly on text. So we have to convert this text into something else before we apply those two properties. So we can simply right click on the layer, text layer, and we can either convert it into an image, like we can rasterize the type, or we can convert it into a shape. On both occasions, once we convert them into either rasterize or shape, we cannot change the spelling, font style, also all that stuff once we convert the text into shape or rasterize it. But there is another option. We can simply make this text into a smart object like this. We right click or convert to smart object. The benefit of converting it into a smart object, that we can, by double clicking on the thumbnail, we can change the spelling and font, everything, and we can also apply these two options: edit, transform, and distort and perspective. Once you convert a text into a smart object, we can easily apply those two options, like perspective like this. Press enter to apply it. Again, I will select this another text and again right click, convert to smart object. Again go to edit, transform, perspective like this. So we simply have to convert this text into smart object first, then we can easily apply perspective. I will show you how we can apply the distort. Same procedure, right click, convert to smart object, and again, and you can simply press Ctrl T and right click, we get the same options. So I will use distort like this. Press enter. Again on done, I will place it a little bit higher. Now again right click, convert to smart object, and again you can simply Ctrl T and, or you can go to edit, transform, distort. So this is how we can use distort and perspective properties or options on text by converting the text into a smart object. So we can use this in, let's say, mockups and other designs. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.